Welcome, my name is Datsun X. In today's episode, we will be doing unboxing of Scanfrost 55-inch Ultra HD LED TV. I believe the price is not too costly. It's a cheap TV at the cost of almost 200,000, like 183,000. Yes.
Good.
Okay, let the unboxing begin. So here we have let's see what part comes out first. There you go. What part is this? We get to that. And here is the stand, I believe. There's one leg of the stand.
I already started.
Okay, so I needed help, so I got one. Just hold it tight and don't press it down. Just want to leave it out. So, there you go. Okay. If you look closely here, you see a quite very flat edge. Smooth curve. So let's set that down, yeah? While we check what else comes with the box. Here goes Pepsodent. The free gift I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so I believe here is the remote. Wow, that looks nice design. The power cord. Manual, who uses manual to watch TV? Wow. And the connectors, the audio splitters. Oh yes, it comes with bass sound bar. I saw that on the manual somewhere. Yeah, is that what it shows? Sound bar tube. So well, this is useful for that, connecting external audio. So we'll get back to you when we've set up. And there it goes, powering on. Android. Wow, it's actually Android.